What's up, everybody? It's Horace. What to sell on Amazon. This is my channel where I help people who want to buy and sell on Amazon using online arbitrage and retail arbitrage, but mostly online. Today I'm just going to show you a couple of deals I found because, as you know, it's all about the deals. That's where the money is made. This is something that you're interested in, especially with 2019 right around the corner. This is literally the 31st, 2018. So, you know, what a great time to consider and take action on making a change in your life for the better financially. And actually, this is kind of fun. So what we're going to do here is just kind of show you real quick how I find deals. Right now you can see we're at Walmart.com, and I find a lot of things there. Just give you an example of the steps that I go through. You get real good at this, you know, as you put the time in, it pays off. You can start to see how quickly you can spot a deal. Also, briefly, if this is something you want to do and you take it serious, then what you want to do is go ahead and subscribe to the channel and also hit that bell notification so that you're aware anytime we come out with some new material. Give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave comments. Now, this is a couple of deals. What I'm going to do is most likely I'm going to put these on the free site where I give deals. So Jim, if you want to take a minute to show them what that looks like once you get involved with that. I do give free deals. I can't give them all the time because this is something I do in my own time, so I just kind of do it when I can. But these deals that I'm going to show you two of them. I'll most likely have them up on the free site. And to get there, you want to go to onlineinternetprofits.com, or you want to go to whattosellonamazon.com and get yourself signed up. And I'll tell you, you want to go ahead and do that. We've been giving away a 12 module video course where it teaches you everything that you need to know to get started. But we're not going to be giving that away for free much longer. Sometime this month, most likely, that is no longer going to be free. We're going to shore it up a bit, add some things that we think might be lacking. And then we're going to have to start asking people to invest in their future. But for those of you who take advantage now, you'll never have to pay. So once you're in, you're a legacy person. So that's all the more reason to go ahead and get going. So without further ado, we'll get into the first product that I found. As you can see, it's some type of cool maker, something that girls would do to make bracelets. The first thing you do if you're considering something, you want to go over to Amazon and make sure that it's already in the catalog, because you don't want to take the time to have to create the listing. If it's already out here, then we know we can use the tools to make sure that it meets our criteria and it's something that we can make money with. Now here, you got to be careful because this comes in different layouts here. So we got to make sure that what we're looking at is the Kumi neons. Okay. And that's what we got here. Once we see that it's in there, the next thing we want to do is see, can we make money with it? So I can tell you right now, for me, I don't know, for some reason they have it between $8.85 and $9.99. So what we'll probably do, I'll just take the higher of the two just to be sure. So $9.99, and then I have 6% sales tax. So I'm going to pay $10.59. I'm going to take from Amazon, I'm going to take the ASIN, which I usually just take from right here, but you can also get it if you scroll down. You can get it from here. So you see how those match? You take that, come over to your revenue calculator. If you don't know what that is, watch some of my earlier videos. We use this to do our calculations and see if we can make a profit. So what we want to do at this point, we want to see who else is selling. So you got 4 people selling. All right, so we'll click on that, and the first thing you need to be looking. You notice no one is selling FBA. Right with your keeper chart, you see that tan area? Boom, right away I see Amazon has been out of stock since November. Well, if we're about to go into January and you don't see Amazon down here offering the product back ordered, chances are they're done with that SKU. So in most cases, you won't have to worry about them coming back. I do sell right alongside Amazon, but often you can't compete with their price. So here are the people that are currently selling the product. And here's what you got to notice. None of them are selling FBA. We go FBA, where we let Amazon take care of everything. So that's going to actually give us an advantage. And that's something, the reasons why you can find out when you sign up for the free course or watch one of my earlier videos. But in a nutshell, if you allow Amazon to fulfill, which is called FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, what happens is Amazon promotes that product because everyone who has Prime will take advantage of that. So that is a good thing. You're in a good position right here. And oftentimes, typically, you can sell higher. So I would jump in right at $37.99. That would leave me some room for adjustment, but we'll see how that pans out. So what we'll do is we'll put it in at $26.99 as the price. It's going to cost me about 50 cents to get it into Amazon. We get into how to bring your price down in some of the earlier videos and also the course, but that's about what it cost me. We said it's going to run me $10.59. We'll calculate, and right there you see, if I jump in where he is, I can make $8.57. The next thing I want to figure out is, can I sell the product? Because if I can't sell it, there's no reason to even move any further. So the first thing I do is come over to inventory. I go to add the product. I'll stick the ASIN in there and see if it will let me. And right here, you're going to have to open that up, and I can see that it says sell yours, meaning I'm approved. If not, it would say you need to put in an application. You do that immediately and see if they'll approve you immediately. If not, you just move on. But over time, you'll be approved in more and more categories, more and more brands, more and more individual products. So now I can move on because I know I can move on that. So from there, the only thing you got to look at is, in this case, I would probably jump in at $37.99. But another thing to look at is not so important when you're competing against merchant fulfill. But what you could do in your keeper chart, come over to settings, come down to where it says display products stock quantity. Click yes, refresh that page and see, this guy only has 4 left. Now, this guy only has 3 left. Now, here's how that plays. If you see 126 sales a month, this product is moving. Now, you might be thinking, okay, it was Christmas. Okay, but stuff like this, you can see. Here, we'll change the view to 185 days. If a year isn't available, this is as long as they've had it. They've been selling this product since August Okay, so it's not about Christmas. This is a product that sells. So in that case, I will move on it. The next question you would have is how many to buy. When I find a deal, I usually buy at least, if possible, at least 10 of them. Because you need to have some inventory. You know, you're sourcing all week, but you can't be buying 1s and 2s and 3s. At the time you prepare your shipment, there needs to be at least, I would say, 50 items in that shipment in order to keep the cost down. And we get into that in the course and in the earlier video. So we'll move on to the other product that I wanted to show you, which is this U.S. Army chopper playset. Same thing. The first thing you want to do is make sure that it's the correct product and that it's already in the database. Here you can see that it's in there. Okay. The next thing you want to do is see, can you make any money? Now, usually what I do at a quick glance, I'm looking at this at the sales rank line. That tells me how well this product is moving. I may go a year and I can see this product is selling all year. Now it's bouncing around, but in that toy rank category, those numbers work, and you'll learn how to figure this out as you go along, as far as what sales rank means and how to read that. Sometimes I may go a month and I can see how this product is selling. Okay. But somehow that changed. But anyway, 85 a month, that's still moving. So again, next thing you want to do, don't go any further until you see that you can actually sell the product. We'll put that in there. We'll see. Boom. It's allowing me to sell it. Now we got to see, is there any money in it? Now to do that, we look at the competition. Now you can see you only have Amazon and they're selling it like new. And it looks like they only have one left. Then you got this guy. He's selling it for almost 50 bucks. This is a good product. I can tell you right now, if you're getting it for around 20 bucks, or in my case, with my 6% sales tax, I'm going to pay $21.19. Let's see. So we'll try another product. We'll put that ASIN in there. And we're going to compete with this guy, $49.27. And we're going to beat him because we'll have that little prime next to ours. So he's $49.27. My cost to get it into the warehouse, my cost to purchase, $21.19. And if we jump in with him, we can make $13.58 per. So I would move on that product. And you have to come up with your plan. When you sign up for the free course, one of the modules talks about your business strategy. What are you looking to do out here? You have to have a goal. You can't just be in the water swimming. Where's your destination? If you ain't got one, you're going to run out of energy and you're going to drown. So think about that for a moment. What are you trying to accomplish? In other words, let me put it to you a different way. What amount of profit per month would make a difference in your life? Only you can answer that question. That might be an extra $200. Okay, figure it out. Figure it out. If you're going to make $30 per day, that doesn't sound like much money, and it really isn't. But times 30, you see what I'm saying? Break it down into increments that you can digest. And then every day you're sourcing. You may only need to source one product a day in order to meet that goal. Then when you're ready, you scale. These are the types of things that you're going to learn when you sign up for the free course. So make sure you do that. I got to get to work. You guys know I'm a truck driver. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video. But again, make sure you sign up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the bell notification. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Is anybody taking advantage of the course? If you're getting value from that, leave a comment below. And make sure you go to onlineinternetprofits.com or whattosellonamazon.com and sign up for the free course before it's gone. Because guys, I'm telling you, I'm being told, and I have to agree, I'm giving away way too much. I can't continue to do that. But for those of you who take action, you should be rewarded. You're going to be rewarded. That means you're going to have this for as long as it's available. And as we improve on it, you'll still have access. As the price goes up, you'll still have access to it. You know, so go ahead and take action. Thanks, guys. I appreciate your time. This is Horace, What to Sell on Amazon. I'm out.